In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to private feature photos on Facebook. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you can see, I have the latest version of the Facebook app installed in my phone, and if I go into my profile, I can see the featured photos by just scrolling down after my personal information. As you know, anyone who visits your profile can click on the featured photos and scroll through them to see all of them. You will notice that if you open up the featured photo by going to your own profile and clicking on it, if you click on the three dots at the top, you only have 4 options. Edit this featured collection, delete it, save the photo, and report a bug by clicking something went wrong. If you go into the Edit tab, in here the only option you have is to fully delete this featured collection, and at the top you can see that featured is set to public. The reason why we can't change manually this photo to private is because Facebook removed the option to private individual photos featured on your profile. So you only have 2 options. You can either open up this featured photo, click the 3 dots and delete it from the entire featured collection from your profile, or you can go into your privacy settings for your profile by going back to the main menu and going into the 3 lines, and from here accessing the Settings and Privacy tab. Go into the settings. In here, scroll down, select Stories, and go into Story Privacy. Make it so your story is custom, and then choose only you or no one to be able to see your story, and the featured collection or photos will go away from your profile. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that these are the only 2 options you have to make a featured collection private in Facebook. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.